So let's get started. We're going to start by putting 3 cups of heavy cream, and we're going to whisk it until it forms medium peaks. Okay, so check back in with me after that. All right, now that our whipped cream is fluffed, we're gonna add our vanilla extract. We're gonna take a tablespoon of that, and we're also gonna put in our sweetened and condensed milk. So let's start with the vanilla. It's a little much, but it's okay. Vanilla never hurt anybody, right? Okay, now we're gonna take our sweetened condensed milk. We're gonna just dump that bad boy in there. 14 ounces of the condensed milk and 3 cups of the heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. All right, so then we're just gonna mix this together. We'll separate it into 6 different bowls for each color of the rainbow, mix with food coloring, put it in a pan with plastic wrap, and freeze it. So here we go. All right, guys, so this has been actually sitting overnight in the freezer. You might notice my nails are changing color a little bit too, because I have my color changing nail polish on. Directions on the site, on the tutorials page, if you want to check that out. So anyways, once you let this sit, wow, that looks really cool. That is beautiful. Look at that. All right. That's amazing. Beautiful. So pretty. Ice cream cake. We'll add some clouds. There you have it. Yum. Oh yeah, baby. Yes.